Hey guys, we're gonna read. It's Sikism. Sikism loved living in the rainforest, but every now and then he got a little bored, so one day he decided to play some tricks on his friend. Sikism. A baboy. Where Sikism saw Parrot sitting in a tree, so he hid among the leaves, stomped on some nuts, and he threw the